Hi friends, I am Jitendra from Let's Sims Private Limited, and today I am going to present you how we have built the multi-level marketing web applications in the Flask, that is in the Python. So in the industry, no one developed in the Python, so we decided to develop the Python because the persons that are looking the Python applications in the MLM that can reach out and they can get the software as they need it. Okay, so today I am going to show you how our system works like that one. First of all, I am going to present you or to show that the how you will check our demo. So here is the two links. If you will see this one, the flask.askatindra.com, and here you will see that the flask.askatindra.com/admin. From here you can log in, okay, and whatever the login is there, if you will log in here, you will get this one applications as the things right now you are able to see on the screen. Okay, so this is our application, and let me try to update you or the show you uh, and the front end part yet. So if you will see here in the other browser, click on the login, you will get the front end applications as well. So just a minute, I am just doing like that one and using this and the password. I am copying the password from here, whatever we have given the password. Okay, and just logging here. So as you can see, this has been logged in. Okay, and this is showing here the logout, so it means that this has been logged in. Now first of all, let me try to update you in the admin part, how the admin part is looks. So as you can see here, the dashboard of the MLM, here the total order money, total users, new users, and the sales and like that one. Okay, these are the some part of the configurations, like this is the configurations. Here the general settings for the configurations. These are the related to the MLM, and this applications is like a small e-commerce application in the Flask with the multi-level marketing functionality. Okay, so here are the some settings like the general settings, eligibility settings, mapping settings, payout settings, and bonus settings, and label commission. So in the general settings, let me update you that how the things is works. Register users to the Unilevel during the checkout. So this is the if you click on this one, then whenever you will go to the checkout section there, from there you can also register as a Unilevel MLM user. Okay, and this is the redirect after the registration. So this is the something like if you want to have the redirections after the register, like the redirect to the home or redirect to the test page. Okay, so that can be the change later. Okay, redirect after the login. After the login, where you want to redirect. So right now, I have given the home page to redirect. You can add the more pages and you can redirect to the particular pages there. Affiliate user redirect. Okay, so this is the as you have the link of the affiliate and you just open that one affiliate, then you will be redirect directly to the registration page. From here you can register to the self. Here I have given the number of labels, number of the referrals, withdrawal limit, and the display error messages here plan based. Okay, so here let me update you regarding this. In the Unilevel, basically, under the one person, so many persons can be registered there, and we have given like that one whatever the persons you want to have the registrations that you can restrict that one. So number of level is the 6. This applications will go to the 6 level for the one user. Okay, like the network can be the grow as long as, but if suppose I have given here the number of the level, so suppose I will only on get the commissions till the 6th level. After that one level I will not get the commission anything. Okay, so that means of that number of levels. Number of referrals, that the how many users can be registered under me. Okay, withdrawal limit. This is the minimum and this is the maximum limit. Okay, so if you have the $10, suppose in your earnings, then you can withdraw. If you have the $9, then you cannot withdraw because there is a minimum limit of the $10 and the maximum limit is the $1,000. So more than the $1,000, if you have in your commissions, then you cannot withdraw in a single withdrawal request. For that one, if you have the 1500 earnings, USD earning, then definitely you need to make the two requests for there. Okay, so this is the process of like that one. The eligibility number of three referrals. Whenever you will have the three referrals or the one referral, you can make the changes here. According to that one, you will start getting the commissions there. Okay, this is the order completion status. We have configured like that one that we suppose the on which order completion or the order pending or the order hold or order processing, whatever the status of the order, on which order status you want to proceed to get the commissions there. Okay, this is the payout. So payout like this is the related to the commission sections. The company commissions we have here like that one, the fixed and the percentage. So suppose if I am the user and in the admin section, if this is the enabled, then whatever the percentage or whatever the fixed value I will have, that will go to the company. It's mean that the root user of that one network. Okay, so company it's mean that the root user of the network. Joint commission. In the case of the joint commission, this is the I given the 2%. Okay, so like that, the suppose if I place the order of the 100 USD, then 2% of the 100 USD will be the joint commission. So joint commissions is considered to the self. Like if suppose I joined, then I will get the 2% of the 100 USD. Referral commission or the affiliate commissions. Like that, the suppose my sponsor that refer to me, okay, will get the 5% of the commission. Service charge. These are the settings like if you want to have the settings there, if you will enable these, okay, enable or disable based on that one, these settings will be the work. Cap limit amount. So in a day, one person's how much can get the commissions. Okay, so this is the things here. The so company commissions, joint commission, and referral commissions, services. Hope you can get these things and these are the clear to you. Bonuses, number of the direct referral, how many number of direct referral, how much you will get the commissions there. Okay, so these are the bonuses like the regular bonuses. Based on that one, you can get the commissions there. These are the label commissions. So in the case of the label commissions, basically, as you know that the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, like that one. So this is the commissions like the level 1, level 2, level 3, but I would prefer like that one. If suppose you want to have there, if you will put the down to increasing order the commissions, then definitely you will be in the loss. So this can be happen like that one. So, suppose the 7, 4, 3, 2 and 1, like that one. This will be the good way to do the things, otherwise you will be in the loss. So this is the settings related to that one. And next in the next I will update you that how the things will be the work in the settings part and like the commissions part. Okay, so this is the commissions part like the Rohan is getting the label commission is the user to this one. This is coming right now in the INR.